Moving on to the last part of the chapter, children. Okay. We have done about cardiac cycle yesterday, if you remember. What is the time period for the entire cycle? Yes. Aradhe? Hello, am I audible, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
You were present yesterday?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, dear. I'm asking you a few questions. What was the time period of the cardiac cycle that we had discussed yesterday?
0.8
0.8 seconds.
Yes. Okay. So it's less than even how much?
1 second.
1 second. It is less than even 1 second. Very good. So we had done this. That this is even less than 1 second. Okay, fine. Very quickly. What are we going to study today? We are going to study the conducting system of the heart. We have already done how the heart looks from outside, how the heart looks from inside, what is the cardiac cycle, and now we are moving on to the last part of the chapter, that is conducting system of the heart. Let's start doing it very quickly. Conducting system of the heart. What are we going to study in conducting system of the heart? When we say conducting system of the heart, beta, we are going to study two things. How impulse is generated and how impulse travels. Conducting system of the heart means where the impulse will be generated, number one, and where this transport, where it will go, how is this impulse going to be transported. So when we say we are studying conducting system of the heart, which are the two things we'll study? Tell me, we are going to study.
How impulse generated and how they travel.
Exactly. So our main concern in conducting system is going to be that where the impulse is going to start or where it will be generated, and then how will it be traveling or how will it be transporting. Let's start now. See, we've got special muscles in conducting system. The entire conducting system is made up of special cardiac muscles, which are also known as nodal tissues. So special cardiac muscles which are involved in conducting system, they are known as which tissues?
Nodal tissues.
Nodal tissue.
They are known as nodal tissues. So remember the word nodal tissues. Nodal tissues are nothing. They are made up of cardiac muscles, which are special kind of cardiac muscles. Now we're going to remember certain things. Impulse is generated from the SA node. Impulse always starts from or is generated from which node? SA node. The full form of SA is sinoatrial node. Okay, what does SA stand for?
Sinoatrial node.
Sinoatrial node.
Learning this. It is the sinoatrial node. It is also called as the pacemaker of the heart because impulse is generated from here only. That is why the SA node is also known as the pacemaker of the heart. So which node is known as the pacemaker of the heart?
Sinoatrial node.
Sinoatrial node.
When we started the topic, I said we are going to study about conducting system. मतलब हम ये पढ़ेंगे that where impulse is going to start. So it started from where? It is starting from or it is being generated in which node?
Sinoatrial node.
Yes. Also known as?
Oh, pacemaker.
Yes, it is known as the pacemaker of heart. SA node has the highest degree of autorhythmicity, 70 to 80 times per minute, but the least conductivity. See, its rhythmicity is high, means generation power is very high, but conduction power is low. It is not very fast to push or move the impulse forward, but it is very efficient when it comes to producing the impulse. Now, where is it located? Let's see the location of the SA node. Okay, I'll show you this. See this. These were the atriums. Which atrium is this? This one? Left or right?
Right.
Right.
So we are seeing the location of the SA node. One thing is very clear that it is on the which side it is? It is on the right atrium wall.
Right
It is very close to. It is very close to. This is what? This is your opening of superior vena cava. Okay, children, if you see, and this is the wall of the right atrium. So SA node is found very close to the wall of which atrium?
Right atrium.
Yes, beta. When we talk about the location of SA node, we see in reference to two things. Number one, it is very close to the wall of the right atrium. And number two, it is very close to the opening of the superior vena cava. If this is the opening of this was a superior vena cava which was bringing blood, so it is very close to the opening of the superior vena cava. If this dark ink shade is your SA node, so what is the location of SA node? What are the two things you will take it in relation to? Very close to the wall of,
Superior vena cava and right atrium.
very close to the wall of right atrium, and very close to the opening of superior vena cava. Is it okay for everybody? Where is this node present?
In the
Very
right
close to
atrium.
the, yes, beta, very close to the wall of the right atrium,
Right
and
atrium.
very close to the opening of which? What is
Superior
this?
vena cava.
Superior vena cava.
So we have done about the location already. It is located on the wall of the right atrium. Then it is very close to the opening of the superior vena cava. Stimulus is conducted at the rate of 1 meter per second. I told you its conduction rate is slow. I say note, its production rhythm rate is fast, but conduction rate is quite slow. So what is its speed beta of conduction of this SA node? Remember this, it is 1 meter per second. So stimulus will be conducted at the speed of how many meters per second?
1 meter per
1
second.
meter per second.
1 meter per second. So we are done with the first important part of the conducting system, that was your SA node. Now we come to the second node, that is AV node, auricular ventricular node. What was the full form of SA?
Sinoatrial.
Sinoatrial
Yes.
node.
And what is the second node that we are going to discuss now?
Auricular
Atri-
ventricular node.
Yes, the AV
Atrial
node, that is
ventricular node.
auricular ventricular node. Now let's see the location of auricular ventricular node. If you remember, this was a septum. This septum was known as interauricular septum, isn't it? This septum was known as what? Because it is separates the auricles. That is why this septum was known as what, children?
Interauricular
Interauricular septum.
Yes. And this was the interventricular septum because it was separating what? It was separating the
Two
ventricles.
ventricles. And this we can take as a junction somewhere in the middle. This point I can call it as a junction. Near this junction, you can see this ink wala part. This is your AV node. This is the location of the AV node. Iske upar, if you see, this is your interauricular septum. If you go down, this is which septum, which is separating the ventricle. Which septum is this?
Interventricular
Interauricular
septum.
septum.
So you will find the AV node where? Near the juncture of interauricular and the interventricular septums. This was interauricular septum. This is interventricular septum. And this part can be taken as a junction. So near the junction, let's revise again the location of SA node and the AV node. SA node was found near the wall of,
Right atrium.
Right atrium.
very close to the opening of
Superior vena
Superior vena
cava.
cava.
superior vena cava. And what is the full form of SA?
Sinoatrial node.
Sinoatrial node.
What is the function of SA node? What is generated over here?
Pacemaker generates the
pace-
impulse.
Very, very good. It's a pacemaker, so impulse is being generated over here. Beta, Aradhe, Drishti, Prabha, Sanvi, Riti. Why answers are not coming, beta? Let's move on to the second node, that is your AV node. When we discuss about the, what is the full form of AV?
Atrioventricular
Auricular
node.
ventricular node.
Atrioventricular node.
Atrioventricular.
Very good. Now I heard somebody's voice. So it is between auricles and ventricles, somewhere here. So it is at the junction of interauricular septum and interventricular septum. So we have done two nodes now. We did the SA node and we've done the which node? Which was the second node? AV node.
AV
We
node.
also did beta. Very good. That impulse is generated at which node?
SA node.
SA node.
SA node.
So from SA node, with the help of cardiac muscles, this impulse will reach which node? It will reach the AV node. It started from where? It started from which node? It was generated at which node, beta?
SA node.
SA node.
SA node. And then with the help of cardiac muscles, it is going to which node?
AV node.
AV node.
AV
The
node.
time taken, very good. The time taken to reach from SA node to AV node is 0.03 seconds. How much time does it take for this impulse to move from here? See, from here to reach here. If it has to come from SA node, with the help of certain muscles, it's going to come here. So how much time it will take for the impulse to reach here?
0.03 seconds.
Yes, it is 0.03 seconds. Let's talk about AV nodes. See, the walls of the ventricles, speed at which impulse travels from AV node to further is 1.5 to 4 meters per second. Now your impulse started from SA node, beta. From SA node, it has reached AV node. अब AV node से आगे भी जाएगी. The time which it took from SA node to AV node was only how many seconds?
0.03 seconds.
अब AV node से it has to go to the walls of the ventricles. Now it will travel again with a speed of 1.5 to 4 meters per second. What will be the speed after it leaves the AV node? It is going to move with what speed per second?
1.5 to 4 per
1.5
second.
to 4 meter per second.
Yes. अब हम इसको ऊपर चल के देखते हैं. Let's see this. It was generated here, beta. The impulse was generated at which node?
SA node. SA
Yes.
node.
SA
From
node.
here, with the help of special muscles, it reaches which node?
AV node.
AV node.
How much time did it take?
0.03
0.03
seconds.
0.03 seconds.
Now from here, it has to come down to the walls of the ventricles. यहाँ से यहाँ आएगा. Then it is going to move at what speed?
1.5 to 4 meter
1.5
per
to 4
second.
meter per
1.5 to
second.
But see beta, this is something very interesting. इसको last में discuss करेंगे. कि जैसे blood directly auricle से ventricles में चला जाता है, तो ये impulse भी ऐसे ही क्यों नहीं चला गया? इतना complicate हमने क्यों किया? कि पहले ऐसे node से AV node में, then it is coming to ventricles, direct चला जाना चाहिए. Isn't it? Does this question not come to your mind? That we have normal blood flow from auricles to ventricles with the help of these walls and all. So why is it not happening that impulse also directly auricles से ventricles में क्यों नहीं चला जाता है? Why are we making this path so complicating कि पहले SA node से AV node में जाएगा, then it is going to come to ventricles? Keep in mind this question. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, as you have told earlier that its speed is slow to transfer the impulse. That's why.
Chalo, good part that you've tried it out is one more reason which we'll be discussing at the last. But keep in mind this question, that these kind of questions should come to your mind. कि why the system is made like this? Blood to normal auricle to ventricles में direct चला जा रहा है. तो हम इसको इतना complicate क्यों कर दे रहे हैं? From SA node to AV node जाएगा, from AV node it will come to ventricles. Just keep in mind this question, I'll be taking up later. So basically impulse कहाँ पे generate हुआ बेटा? कहाँ से start हुआ?
SA node.
SA node.
With the help of cardiac muscles, SA node से impulse has reached where now?
AV node.
AV nodes.
कितना टाइम लगा बेटा SA node to AV node आने में?
0.03
0.03
seconds.
Yes. अब AV node से it has to go to the walls of the ventricles. तो वो फिर आगे बढ़ जाएगा. Impulse फिर आगे जाएगा from the AV node. And किस speed से जाएगा? In 1 second.
1.5 to 4 meter
1.5
meter per
meter per
second.
second to 4 meter per second.
So from the auricles, the stimulus has to come to ventricles, and why not directly? I have come to my question. From the auricles, stimulus has to go where? It has to go to ventricles. तो direct क्यों नहीं चला गया? That is what I was just asking you. कि यहाँ से blood तो direct चला जाता है बेटा auricles to ventricles में. तो impulse क्यों नहीं जाता है directly? Let me explain this part to you very quickly now. From auricles, stimulus has to come to ventricles. Why not direct? Why? Let's study this. Because auricles and ventricles are separated by a band of connective tissue, which is known as annular band. In some books, you will find this word as annular pad. तो क्या समझ में आ गया बेटा यहाँ पे? There is a connective tissue between the auricles and the ventricles. There is a layer of connective tissue. Connective tissue lets blood pass here, but it is a induction, I mean, it's an insulator for impulse. Impulse को नहीं जाने देगा वो. It is going to act like an insulator. Blood को pass करने देगा that tissue, but it will not allow the impulse to move from auricles to ventricles. So what is the reason जो ये direct नहीं गया बेटा? Because between the auricles and the ventricles, there is a layer of which kind of tissue?
Connective tissue.
Connective tissue.
Special kind of connective tissue which is known as annular band. What is it called?
Annular band.
Annular band. So this band works as an insulator. It works like, it's not acting like a conductor. It will not allow the impulse to go. This does not let the impulse to move from auricle to ventricles. Is it okay for everybody? Now very quickly I'm going to tell you here. Auricles to ventricles, यहाँ पे बीच में there is a band of which kind of tissues?
Connective tissue or
Connective tissue.
What is that band of connective tissues known as?
annular band.
Annular band. So
Annular
annular
band.
band will not, very good बेटा. Annular band यहाँ से नहीं जाने देगा, impulse को auricle से ventricles में नहीं जाने देगा. And that is the reason कि impulse first SA node से कहाँ जाएगा?
AV node.
AV node.
Even
And then it will come to the walls of the ventricles. अब हमें ये पढ़ना है कि AV node से how it will go to the walls of the ventricles, क्योंकि AV node तो यहाँ पर ही है. So how is this going to travel further? We are going to study this part now. ये तो बहुत clear हो गया कि direct क्यों नहीं जाएगा? Let's come to this now. From the AV node arises a bundle of special cardiac muscles, which are called AV bundles or bundles of His. From this AV node, अब AV node खुद तो जाएगा नहीं बेटा impulse को लेके ventricles में. From here you will have special kind of muscles coming out. कहाँ से निकलेंगे muscles? From which node? SA node or AV node?
AV nodes.
AV node.
even
You will have special muscles. अभी I'll show you in the next diagram. यहाँ से निकलेंगे AV node से. You'll have special muscles which will come out from here. These special muscles or a bundle of muscles, they are known as, what are they known as? Bundle of His. In some books, it is also written HISS, His. His is the name of the scientist. HISS is the name of the scientist who first discovered these bundles. So we call these cardiac muscles ka bundle. They're nothing, they're special cardiac muscles, beta. So this muscles, jo special cardiac muscles hain, which are going to take your impulse from AV node to the ventricles. What are these muscles called as? Bundle of muscles?
Bundle of His.
Bundle of His. And we call it as bundle of His after the name of the scientist, HISS His. चलिए ये देखते हैं. If this is my AV node, can you see these? These are what? These are bundle of special cardiac muscles. Okay? आगे जाकर के ये फिर divide हो जाएंगे. Left side, right side. So left bundle of His, right bundle of His. ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक तो पूरा एक ही नाम देंगे. We are going to call them as bundle of His. After that, they are going to divide into left and right. So we are going to call the left bundle of His and the right bundle of His. अगर आप ध्यान से देखो बेटा, these are the fine branches of cardiac muscles all along the walls of the ventricles. यहाँ पे, can you see this? What are these cardiac muscles called as? Bundle of
His.
His. And then they further divide into left and right, and we call them as left bundle of His and right bundle of His. Also, ये जो bundle of His surround करते हैं ना यहाँ पे, if you can see the walls of the ventricles को surround कर रहे हैं on both the sides, they are also known as Purkinje fibers. What is the other name for these bundles?
Purkinje fibers.
Purkinje fibers.
So these are fine branches of cardiac muscles all around the walls of the ventricles. Same cardiac muscles, when they surround the wall of the ventricles, ये वाला पूरा, after they get divided into left and right, what are these fibers known as?
Purkinje fiber.
Purkinje fibers.
So conducting is not at all difficult. If you learn from the diagram, it is not difficult. Impulse started here. Which node was this?
SA node.
When we
Sinoatrial
talked
node.
about the location, it was near the wall of
Right atrium.
Right atrium.
and very close to the opening of
Superior vena
Superior
cava.
vena cava.
vena cava. As a rule, very simple, it should have directly gone impulse from auricles to ventricles, but it does not go from auricles to ventricles. Instead, from SA node, it goes to
AV
AV
node.
node.
AV node. When I talk about the AV node, it is at a junction of, what was this septum?
Interauricular septum.
Yes, interauricular septum. And this was which one? This was
Interventricular
Interventricular
septum.
septum.
and this is your junction. So not exactly at the junction, near the junction. So location of AV node is near the junction of interauricular and interventricular septums. So beta, your impulse from SA node has now traveled and it has reached from here to which node? AV node. AV node, why it is coming from here to here? Why it did not go direct? I told you we have a group or band of special which kind of tissues?
Connective
Connective
tissue.
tissue.
Which are known as
Annular
Annular
band.
band.
annular bands.
Annular band.
Because of annular bands, this impulse does not go directly from here to here. Now your impulse has reached AV node, it has to reach the ventricles. So from AV node, certain special cardiac muscle fibers will originate. They will come out from here. These muscle fibers are known as, what were they known as? I just told you bundle of,
Bundle of His.
we write it as HIS. Actually शुरू में HISS ही लिखते थे बेटा इसको, because the name of the scientist was HISS His, the person who first saw these bundles. But now gradually, with years passing by, in books we have seen it is written HIS only. So this bundle, it further divides into two branches, the left bundle of His and the right bundle of His. So when I talk about this, this is my bundle of His. आगे जाके ये divide हो गया, right bundle, left bundle. And then ये जो fibers हैं along the walls of the ventricles. Okay, these are also known as which fibers?
Purkinje
Purkinje
fibers.
fiber.
So let's see the conducting system. Impulse was generated at which node?
SA node.
SA node.
Then from SA node, the impulse is received by which node?
AV node.
AV node.
AV. So your impulse moved from SA node to AV node at how much time did it take?
0.03 seconds.
0.03 seconds.
Okay. And then AV node, from AV node, it will go to, from AV node, it will go to which bundle of His? And then
His.
right and left bundle of His. And right and left bundle of His means we are talking about Purkinje fibers. With the help of Purkinje fibers, they have reached to the walls of the ventricles. We wanted the impulse to reach the ventricles. So, but it did not go directly. It has gone through the, which node? What was the node in the middle?
AV node.
Yes. If you remember, I told you SA node is known as, what was the other name of SA node?
Pacemaker.
Pacemaker.
Similarly, AV node is known as the pace setter. AV node is known as what? It is known as the, what is it called, beta? Pace
Pace
setter.
setter.
Because this decides the pace. Per second kitna movement hoga impulse ka. I gave you a range. What was the range? 1.5 to?
4 meter
4
per
meter per
second.
second.
Yes, 1.5 to 4 meters. So the pace setter, who is going to decide the speed or the pace? It is which node? SA node or AV node?
AV node.
AV node. That is why your AV node is also known as the pace setter. Now impulse is generated where? It is generated by the SA node. Such a heart where impulse is generated by muscles is called as a myogenic heart. You must have read in many books that humans have which kind of a heart? Myogenic or neurogenic?
Myogenic.
Myogenic. There are two types of hearts basically. We call them myogenic heart and neurogenic heart. Humans are said to have a myogenic heart. Understand the difference between a myogenic heart and a neurogenic heart. See beta, in human body, impulse started from where?
SA
SA node.
And SA node is nothing, they're special kind of cardiac muscles only. Means the impulse starts from muscles. So any organism where impulse originates from muscles, we say that the heart is a myogenic heart. So do you agree that the human heart is a myogenic heart?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's a myogenic heart because the impulse is generating where it is generating by the muscles. When we talk about the lower vertebrates, the impulse comes from the brain. It does not come from the muscles. So those organisms where impulse comes from the brain, it originates from the brain, not the muscles, then such a heart is known as a neurogenic heart. Got the difference between myogenic and neurogenic hearts?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why do we say that humans have a myogenic heart?
Because
Because
the impulse
impulse are
starts from
generated by
muscle.
muscles.
M for myogenic, M for muscles. Very simple. There are some other organisms which have a different category of heart where the impulse does not originate from muscles. It originates from brain. Such kinds of hearts are known as
Neurogenic
Neurogenic
heart.
heart.
neurogenic hearts. So when we talk about the conduction of impulse, beta, impulse originated here. Only the diagram part I'll be taking up with you so that you can. When I said we are going to study conducting system, we are going to study where impulse generated and from where to where it traveled. So impulse originated here at this node. It should have gone directly. It did not go directly. Why it did not go directly?
Because of
there's
presence of
band of
connective
connective
tissue.
tissue which is called annular
Annular
band
band.
or annular pad.
Annular band. So it works as an insulator. It does not allow the impulse to pass. So from this SA node, your impulse with the help of special muscles, it will travel to the AV node. When we talk about the location of AV node, it is very close to the junction of the interauricular and the intraventricular septums. The location of the SA node, it is closer to the walls of the right atrium and very close to the opening of the superior vena cava. And from here, it has reached here, beta. From here, we'll have a lot of special cardiac muscles originating, bundle of muscles, group of muscles. What was that bundle known as?
Bundle of His.
Yes, it is known as bundle of His. So this bundle of His further separates into right and left. We have special fibers over here which are around the walls of the ventricles. What are these fibers called?
Purkinje fibers.
Fiber.
So when we talk about the conducting system, impulse was generated in SA node, from SA node through cardiac muscles AV node, from AV node to bundle of His, from bundle of His to right and left bundle of His, from right and left bundle of His to Purkinje fibers, and finally to the wall of the ventricles. Which node is known as the pacemaker?
SA node.
SA node.
Because it makes the pace. Makes the pace means it is setting the impulse. It is generating the impulse. And which one is known as a pace setter?
AV node.
AV node.
Yes, it is known as the. Don't get confused in pacemakers and pace setters. So this is very simple, very short. I'm going to ECG or EKG. ECG, electrocardiograph and electrocardiogram. You've heard about ECG earlier, all of you?
Yes,
What is the
ma'am.
full form of ECG?
Electrocardiography.
Electrocardiograph.
Is it electrocardiograph or is it electrocardiogram?
Graph.
What is the full form of ECG? Electrocardiograph or electrocardiogram?
Electrocardiograph.
Graph.
Graph.
Sure, everybody says graph only.
Yes, ma'am.
You've never come across the word electrocardiogram. अच्छा एक बात बताइए, have you seen ECG? Have you ever seen ECG? वो जो पेपर मिलता है?
Ma'am, ECG reports we have.
हाँ, that long paper जिसको खोल खोल के देखते हैं, where you have this hill kind of structures. Let me show you. This kind of a paper मिलता है, strip of paper. Have you seen the strip of paper? कभी देखी किसी की ECG?
No, ma'am.
Never seen an ECG report.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, seen.
बहुत roll में आता है, and when you open the roll pulls longer and longer. Nobody has seen. Only one child has seen. No, nobody has seen an ECG report.
No, ma'am.
Ari? Charlie, never mind. Understand the difference between electrocardiograph and electrocardiogram. There's a lot of confusion in this beta. There is a difference between electrocardiograph and electrocardiogram. The graphical representation that you see, जो आपको पेपर मिलता है, जो रिपोर्ट मिलती है, वो इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राफ नहीं होता है, दैट इज इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राम, एंड द मशीन जिससे ये निकलता है, दैट मशीन इज नोन एज इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राफ. देयर इज लॉट ऑफ कंफ्यूजन बिकॉज ग्राफ वर्ड जो आता है वो इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राफ में आता है, बट एक्चुअली इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राफ मशीन को बोलते हैं. एंड वो जो पेपर स्ट्रिप निकलता है जिसमें आप वो देखते हो हिल्स वगैरह ऐसे ऐसे हाई पीक्स एंड लो पीक्स आते हैं, दैट इज इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राम. सो व्हेन यू गो टू अ डॉक्टर, डॉक्टर आपको क्या देगा जब रिपोर्ट देगा? विल ही गिव यू एन इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राम और विल ही गिव यू एन इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राफ?
Electrocardiogram.
Electrocardiogram.
Yes, he will not pick up his machine and give it to you. There is a lot of confusion and the confusion is quite obvious. बेटा बहुत genuine सा बात है. Why we have confusion? Because हम लोग machine को graph बोल रहे हैं, isn't it? We are calling the machine as electrocardiograph. And real life में where you have the graphs on a paper, we are calling them as electrocardiograms. I hope you know the difference between electrocardiogram and electrocardiograph.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So let me show it to you very quickly over here. See this. Electrocardiogram is the graphical representation which shows here. If you see this paper, ऐसे मिलता है, डॉक्टर दिखाते हैं. This is a strip of paper. ऐसे कुछ peaks दिखाई देती हैं. High peak, low peak, high peak, low peaks. These kind of a paper it is. And it's a long paper. It's a big roll. You keep on opening, वो खुलता चले जाता है, बहुत लंबा सा. So the graph is known as the electrocardiograph is the machine, and this strip of paper is the electrocardiogram. This I have written strip of paper and I have written electrocardiogram, and when I've written graph, I mean electrocardiograph is your machine. Okay, let's talk about this. It was invented by, yes, any idea who invented this machine? Einthoven. Einthoven. Name the person who invented this machine, electrocardiograph.
Einthoven.
Einthoven, E-I-N, Einthoven. देखो बेटा, machine तो he prepared, Einthoven, but the first ECG was recorded by Waller. The first person who took out this electrocardiogram जो ये निकाला था, that was Waller, W-A-L-L-E-R. Again, this is important for competitions, nothing to do with class 11th. Name the person who discovered this machine.
Einthoven.
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 And the first one who gave you this ECG report, electrocardiogram report, the name of the person was Waller.
Waller.
What is it? Waller. Okay. What does this report? This reports the electrical conductivity of the heart. Okay. What does this report? This reports the electrical conductivity. What will this graph show you? It shows the electrical conductivity of your heart. Now, when I say electrical conductivity, what does it mean? Let me explain it to you. When we say about electrocardiograms, we say electrocardiograms show or represent the electrical activity of the heart. Now, what do we mean by electrical activity of the heart? Understand this, beta. This is your normal condition. When it's a relaxed condition, muscles are in relaxed position, then ऐसी position होती है बेटा. बाहर positive, यानी electropositive from outside and electronegative inside. This is normal condition. Okay? Such a condition is known as polarized condition. मतलब जब कोई stimulus नहीं है. When I say normal condition, मतलब there is no stimulus over here. Normal condition means कोई stimulus नहीं है. And if there is no stimulus, then outside we have electropositive and inside electronegative. This condition is called which condition? ये जो बाहर positive and अंदर negative है, this condition is called the polarized state. What are we going to call it as?
Polarized.
Polarized state. Two poles very clear.
Ma'am?
There's a positive pole. Yes, beta.
मैम ये जो आउटसाइड वाला जो रीजन है, ये सराउंडिंग
हम्म।
होगा बॉडी का, बॉडी के
नहीं, body
सराउंडिंग जो
नहीं. We are not talking about the body here. We are only talking about what, children? Heart.
Heart.
We are talking
Okay,
only
ma'am.
about the heart, not the body. हाँ? So यहाँ पे दो
Okay.
poles बन गए हैं. Poles बन गए. Poles मतलब एक पॉजिटिव चार्ज, एक नेगेटिव चार्ज. बट ये कंडीशन कब होगी बेटा? When there is no stimulus. अब देखिए नेक्स्ट केस में. Now it gets a stimulus. Supposing there is a stimulus coming here. This was the original condition I showed you. All positives ऊपर, all negatives नीचे. आप देखो बेटा क्या
Yes,
होगा,
ma'am.
ध्यान से देखना बहुत केयरफुली। सी द फर्स्ट टू में ऊपर पॉजिटिव नीचे नेगेटिव, यहाँ भी ऊपर पॉजिटिव नीचे नेगेटिव, बाद वाले भी सारे पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, देयर इज नो चेंज। ओनली सिर्फ इस वाले पार्ट में, थर्ड वाले में जहां स्टिमुलस आया है, ओनली दिस वन, इफ यू सी ओवर हियर, पॉजिटिव चार्ज मूव्स इनसाइड, channels open, stimulus has to come inside, so ये channel खुल जाएगा, and ये जो positive बाहर था बेटा, I'm talking about the third position to explain it to you, channel will open and this positive will come inside. अब देखो क्या हुआ यहाँ पे, what has happened over here, उल्टा हो गया, positive outer side पे था and negative inner side पे था। अब क्या हो गया, ये देखिए what has happened now, compare it to the original condition, ऊपर नेगेटिव हो गया, आउटर साइड वी हैव गॉट नेगेटिव एंड इनर साइड वी हैव गॉट व्हाट, पॉजिटिव।
Positive.
Yes. Now charges have shifted and only they have shifted at that particular point which has received the stimulus. In this case I have tried to explain it कि थर्ड वाले पॉइंट पे स्टिमुलस आया है। सो बच्चा इफ यू सी यहाँ पे साइन चेंज नहीं हुए, यहाँ पे साइन चेंज नहीं हुए, ओनली चेंजिंग हो रही है एट थर्ड साइड जहाँ पे स्टिमुलस आया। प्लस माइनस की जगह अब क्या बन गया, आउटर साइड इज माइनस
Minus.
and inner side is plus.
Plus.
Charges have shifted. Now this condition is called depolarized. Depolarization. What does it mean? What is called?
Depolarization.
Depolarization. So first condition was your polarization, जिसमें सब positive बाहर, सब negative नीचे. There was no stimulus. अच्छा बच्चे, अगर stimulus यहाँ पे आए, fifth position पे, तो क्या होगा? ये first four वाले signs change नहीं होंगे, सिक्स्थ वाला भी चेंज नहीं होगा, सिर्फ कौन सा चेंज होगा, द फिफ्थ वन इज गोइंग टू चेंज, जहां पे स्टिमुलस आएगा। सो दिस कंडीशन व्हेन चार्जेस बिकम शिफ्टेड और चार्जेस आर चेंजिंग, दिस कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड एज व्हिच कंडीशन, डीपोलराइजेशन। व्हाट इज इट कॉल्ड?
Depolarization.
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 Means normal condition polarized था, when we received the stimulus it became depolarized. After depolarization अब क्या होगा बेटा, the last step now, the charges will shift or they will move, they're going to shift or they're going to move now. एक बार कंपेयर कर लेते हैं, ऊपर क्या था बेटा, ये कंडीशन से हम आगे बढ़ेंगे। थर्ड पोजीशन पे ऊपर कौन सा चार्ज है, नेगेटिव, एंड व्हाट डू वी चार्ज, व्हाट डू वी हैव, नीचे कौन सा है बेटा थर्ड पोजीशन,
Positive.
पॉजिटिव। अब ध्यान से देखना, वी आर गोइंग टू गो डाउन, ये था ना आपका थर्ड कंडीशन। अब ये जो
Yes,
है
ma'am.
ये, यस, सीधी एरो, ये थर्ड वाली चीज फोर्थ पे शिफ्ट होगी अब। ओके, डीपोलराइजेशन में फ्रॉम पोजीशन 3 थर्ड पोजीशन से अब स्टिमुलस आगे बढ़ेगा। आपने अभी तक क्या पढ़ा कि स्टिमुलस जब भी आएगा वो वहीं थोड़ी रुका रहेगा, स्टिमुलस हैज टू गो फॉरवर्ड। सो स्टिमुलस वाज रिसीव्ड ऑन व्हिच कंडीशन, थर्ड कंडीशन। अब स्टिमुलस आगे मूव कर जाएगा। सो स्टिमुलस थर्ड पोजीशन के बजाय अब कहाँ पे आ गया, वो ये
Fourth.
see this condition, it has now from position 3 it has moved to which position, position 4.
Four.
अब जब ये
Four.
फोर्थ पोजीशन पे आ गया तो थर्ड वाला नॉर्मल अपनी जगह पे वापस चला गया जैसे था। दैट मीन्स आउटसाइड पॉजिटिव एंड इनसाइड व्हाट,
Negative.
नेगेटिव।
Negative.
बट फोर्थ पोजीशन नाउ विल चेंज। अब ऊपर चलते हैं, फोर्थ पोजीशन क्या थी यहाँ पे, फोर्थ पोजीशन वाज पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव, बट अब नेक्स्ट केस में जब इम्पल्स यहाँ से यहाँ आ गया तो ये तो नॉर्मल हो जाएगा बेटा, प्लस एंड माइनस, फोर्थ पोजीशन चेंज हो जाएगी। फोर्थ पोजीशन वुड बिकम व्हाट, फोर्थ पोजीशन विल बी नाउ माइनस एंड प्लस, ये चीज यहाँ पे आ जाएगी। अभी जो पहले वाला था ये अपनी पोजीशन पे वापस आ गया ना,